How to remove audios from your videos in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to remove your audios from your videos in Canva, here's what you need to do. So first, just open any one of your untitled design with any of your resolution. So I'll simply prefer your custom size like your videos. So I have already opened this video over here. So it might be horizontal or vertical, doesn't really matter because it's based on your choice. So now to remove your audio from a video, what you need to do, it's pretty simple. You just have to select this video of yours just like this, and if you like pacing of your video, you can also actually increase or decrease the pacing of your video. And if you want to trim your video, you can use this. But you can see there's option or feature called audio tools, so you can simply tap on this and you can just click on this mute button to completely mute or remove the audio from your video. So once you play the video, it will no longer have the audio for your video. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.